Good day everyone! So, welcome back to our math class, Halina't Matuto! So, this is the most essential learning competency. So, I hope that you will be able to perform fundamental operations on integers. We are in week 3, day 2 of our module. So, that is addition of integers. So, ano nga ba ang integers? So, when we say integers, positive, negative, whole numbers, and zero. Remember, there is no decimals or fractions. It is a whole numbers. So, positive integer, whole numbers to the left of 0. Negative integers are whole numbers to the right of 0. But if we are facing the number line, so going to the right are positive and going to the left are negative. To get a scratch paper, so I'll give you 10 seconds to answer this. Okay, let us check your answers. Congratulations for those who got a perfect score. Dun sa mga hindi, huwag kayong malungkot. Kasi, pag-aaralan natin ang addition of integers using different techniques. Let's add integers using a number line, using tiles, and using the rules. Let's begin. So, let's add negative 4 plus 8. So, having these number lines, what I have said earlier. So, this is 0 and going to our right must be positive. And going to the left is negative. Begin in plotting negative 4. So, let us locate negative 4 on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this must be negative 4. Okay. Next, since that is positive 8, so it means we're going to move to the right. 8 spaces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And it stops at what point? Okay, very good. At this point, okay? So, meaning to say, our answer must be positive 4. So, it means negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4. Let's have another example. 6 plus negative 8. Again, let us locate first positive 6. So, from 0, 5, 6. Okay. Next. Since that is negative 8, it means we're going to move to the left. Let us count 8 spaces going to the left because that is negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it stops at this point. Okay, so and that point represents what integers? Okay, very good. Negative 2. Meaning to say, 6 plus negative 8 is negative 2. Okay, so this time, let us use tiles. So, we can able to use tiles to add integers. So, I have here a yellow tile and a red tile. And it represents a positive 1 and a negative 1. So, the zero principle states that when you add two opposites, their sum is equal to 0. So, meaning to say, if we have one yellow tile, which is positive 1, one red tile, which is negative 1, that is 0. So, two opposites. So, another example, if we have negative 6 plus positive 6, that is 0. Negative 100 plus 100, 0. That is the zero principle. Let's solve. And remember that we're going to use these tiles, the yellow tile and the red tile. 5 plus negative 4. So we will make 5 yellow tile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 4 negative or 4 red tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, these are the 0 pairs. So, anong natira dito? So, one yellow tile. And it means our answer is positive 1. 5 plus negative 4 is 1. Another example, negative 6 plus 2. So, let us make 6 red tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, let's make 2 yellow tile. 1, 2. Then these are the 0 pairs. So, ano ang natira? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red tiles. So, it means it is negative 4. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. So, this time, let us use the rule in addition of integers. So, when adding positive and negative numbers, first look at the sign and determine if the signs are the same or different. So, let's have this example. Negative 3 plus negative 5. Are these the same sign or different signs? Okay, very good. The same. So, since it is the same, the signs are the same, it means we will add. Negative 3 plus 5 is negative 8. So, we have negative 3 plus negative 5. So, since the signs are the same, add the numbers and keep the same sign. So, both signs are negative. So, we have here negative 3 plus 5 is 8. Then, copy the sign which is negative. Again, same sign, add and keep the sign, different sign, subtract and take the sign of the bigger. Let's have another example. Negative 8 plus 12. Are the signs the same or different? Okay, very good, different. So, since different, we're going to subtract. And look at the greater number or the biggest number, the sign of the biggest number. So, which number is bigger? Is it 12 or 8? Okay, correct, 12. So, what is the sign of 12? That is positive. So, we have 12 minus 8 is 4. Positive 4. Since 12 is positive, that is the reason why our answer is 4. Okay? No need for you to write positive. Positive symbol. Next. Another example. 9 plus negative 15. Are the signs the same or different? Okay, different. So, if that is different, anong gagawin? Very good. Iso-subtract. Then, take the sign of the biggest. Which is greater, 15 or 9? Okay, great. That is 15. Okay? So, what is the sign of 15? Okay, negative. So, meaning to say, we're going to subtract 15 and 9, then we will copy the sign of 15, and that is negative. Okay, so 15 minus 9 is 6. The sign of 15 is negative. So, meaning, our answer must be negative 6. Okay, next. 7 plus negative 11. Are the signs the same or different? Okay, correct, different. So, we will going to subtract. Next. So, which is greater, 11 or 7? Yes, 11. So, the sign of 11 is negative. So, meaning, we're going to subtract these numbers, then we must take the sign of 11, and that is negative. 11 minus 7 is 4. The sign of 11 is negative, so we have negative 4. So, it means 7 plus negative 11 is negative 4.